Pinguino? What are you doing? Oh, what'd you hear? Oh, you're scared. What's the matter? Oh no. It's Snake.
Why are you so scared of me? You don't talk much, do you?
Oh, Pinguino don't like snakes. Huh. Oh, here's Shivers. He's your friend. What's wrong with him? Oh, he must be scared of something. I wonder what he's scared of. I don't like bells. Oh, I don't like you. Pinguino, don't be so scared. Defend yourself. Defend yourself, Pinguino. Oh, no, you didn't. Nobody messes with my Pinguino.